Okay, shepherd's pie, cottage pie. Welcome back to the channel. This is a very simple recipe on how to make shepherd's pie. Currently winter where we are, and we're going to show you how to make a simple shepherd's pie. Now, that's your beef mince, there's some carrots there. We've got some pureed tomatoes, diced carrots, some salt, some ginger garlic, sliced mushrooms, again cooked mince, and some sweet corn. You can have peas at this point or any other vegetables you'd like to throw in. But if you boil these potatoes up first to get your mash, and then take your diced carrots, add some salt, and get them on the boil with the sweet corn and the mushrooms. Boiling potatoes in the background, and here we go, we're getting this bit ready. Give it a good stir. And once your potatoes are ready, softened, drain them off, back in the pan, and now you're going to get mashing. Here we go. Mash, 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 mash. Now, to your vegetables, add some tomatoes which you've crushed, and give that a good stir and let that keep cooking down. Here your potatoes are nice and creamy.
And the difference between cottage pie and shepherd's pie and fisherman's pie is in cottage pie you use beef mince, in shepherd's pie you use lamb mince, and in fisherman's pie obviously you use fish.
Now get your mince and add that to your vegetables. Give that a good stir, let it cook down for a little bit longer. You want a little bit of juice, not too much, because the juices will run again once you put them in the oven. And if you like, a little bit more tomato puree just to help with the flavour and the richness. Optional, not essential. And then get your bowl ready. So put all of your mixture into the bowl. Once that's done, get it nice and flat, and then off to your potatoes, and scoop them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all nice. Now get with some artistry, get it nice and flat, and then you want to rough the edges just like this. So when it cooks, you get some nice crispy topping. Oven on. Well, it should have been on 15 minutes ago, but you put it on an oven, quite a warm oven, 180 to 200. Leave that in there for about 35 minutes and give it a spin halfway through. And you'll start to see it bubble. Once you get to the half-hour mark, time to take it out. You might need to grill the top a little bit if your oven isn't really circulating the heat enough. But that's one shepherd's pie, or because it's beef, a cottage pie made for you with the minimal amount of ingredients possible. You can add things like butter and cheese and milk to the mash, and you can add more flavor to your vegetable sauce, but this is what it looks like plated up. Support the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.